Good morning guys! Ayan, another day, February 27. Just update guys, this is our back in our house. As you can see, and I'm here guys. I'm little bit okay guys. I've been already taking my medicine as I said, and as you can see, this is our view at the back of our house guys. And that's our kitchen right there, and that's our cow, and this is the bamboo, so the rice field. It's early morning guys here, you know. Give me thumbs up guys if you like this video. Just enjoy the view. Did you hear the different noise of sounds of birds guys? Birds guys. I still have runny nose guys.